check that out. That's a big ass billboard, and it's right over RDB. It's the official Gran Turismo movie, but honestly, there's no affiliation with RDB. They chose this location for a purpose, and that purpose was exposure. So, Gran Turismo, watch it. Pep Boys, and I wanted to take it as a shop, but crazy expensive, and they didn't care, and they made it a parking lot. So a parking lot that people pay money, obviously, to park in, like a private parking lot, is worth more than making it a car shop. I think it was like 40 something grand a month. I mean, it would be cool if it was here, but it's all outdoors, so I didn't want to get into a mess either.
This will be another project, a clear bra project. We're gonna do a clear bra on this thing. We're gonna do some tints. This is a client of ours that brings us, a few cars a month, and this is his next one. So we'll get this thing done in about a week, and on to the next one. I don't know what's going on with these cars, but these AC compressors and dryers, AC dryer compressor, these things are not working normal. So this is our second event to do of the week for AC problem. Again, new compressor, new dryer. Very, very nice and cold, I hope, or else Javier is dead. So I'm gonna make sure that it's good. And of course, as soon as we're about to fire up a car, somebody's calling. Customer's gonna be happy. It'll stay nice and cool in the car. This car's almost done. We just gotta start putting everything back together. And that's basically it.
We're eating seeds. I've lost 11 pounds so far. It's been about 3 weeks. Moses, I think you lost much less than me. 6 pounds. That's kind of bad. I think he's been cheating and eating Panda Express. Very, very hungry. I'm gonna do this for another week, and then I'm gonna go to Cabo, and then I'm gonna do it again. So I'm gonna do this for like 3 months with some cheating in between. So let's see what happens.
He works out, he goes to the gym. That's the difference. The gym makes a big difference, of course.
We're doing my Range Rover. This is stuff people don't show you, but the Range Rover, I rushed it. This was the first one with the wide body kit, and there was a lot of little flaws that I was not happy with. So we're redoing it right now. Most of the flares are off, as you can see. This is the factory black, that's the wrap. So we're gonna be making things match up better, that kind of stuff. And I'm changing my wheels again for the third time. So stay tuned to see the revision, and Luis has been working hard on the Liberty Walk Aventador. We finally have the full carbon fiber doors on the car. Why is it back here again?
Because it's not right. This is the first car we do. We did on the disc and the wide body. So the part doesn't come in like, doesn't come in right, I don't do what I have to do because he needs the car, so I rush a little bit. We're gonna do it right this time.
All right, guys, by now you have seen the 2 wide body Performantes, Uruses that we've done. Here is another beautiful stock red Rosso Urus. As you can see, it is completely stock except for a tune and downpipes, but it has the factory carbon hood where it's exposed. These are no longer in production, so these are rare. The yellow one had one, even though we changed it. This one did not, and we did change it. This one we're not gonna change. We're gonna keep it classy and keep it with the original hood. This hood, I believe, is $35,000 alone. So it's one of the most expensive hoods, other than, I remember the SLR hood, Mclaren, it was like 60 grand. But yeah, it has carbon fiber everywhere, as you can see, on the bottom, on the flares, the rocker panels, the back, the roof, all carbon fiber, which is one of my favorite specs ever, just like my M3. It's red on carbon. We're gonna be adding the full wide body kit, just like that Nero Nemesis one. And we're gonna be exposing a lot of the carbon fiber, of course. We're gonna be adding the lower spoiler over it, the flares, the side extension, the rear diffuser. We're gonna be putting RDB signature 23-inch wheels to retain the stock drivability with the stock tires, but they're gonna obviously come out more further. And we are doing a cut spoke deep dish wheel, just like my personal Urus, where it's really, really deep. We're gonna be putting that on this. I think it's gonna be one of my favorite Urus builds ever because it is the new Performante. That one has black and yellow interior. This has black and red interior, as you could tell. That thing looks menacing on the road when you see it in person. It's hard to explain in pictures and video, but when you see that wide body on the road and it stands from the back, there's nothing else on the road that looks like that. It's crazy to see an SUV that looks like that from behind. So we're gonna make this red one look like that because it looks kind of soft right now, right? So we're gonna fix all that. Stay tuned.
Let's go open the door. Moses is getting a haircut. It's fucked up.
This is the time, huh?
Look at his face, he knows.
Damn it! I knew you guys were gonna do this.
Of course, bro. It's been too long. But what are you getting ready for?
Thought you slipping, huh?
Sarkis is taking advantage of the situation, by the way.
I mean, I go to Vegas once a year, man.
No, you deserve it. We're not saying you don't deserve it, but like,
You guys are talking You're saying you're blasting me.
no, I hope you have fun in Vegas, man.
If I hit the jackpot,
Oh, are you gonna come back?
I'm gonna share all the money with all of us. I swear to you. I'm not kidding.
How much money will it take for you not to come back?
10 grand.
What the kind of haircut is that? Look, he did this and he fucked it up. Look at it.
Hey, there's no fade.
You don't know how much I offered him to never cut or shave. 6 months. I'll give you $1,000. You can't touch anything for 6 months.
Why don't you grow this?
We got better shot than you, man. iPhone, maybe. For my Range Rover. But they have to be painted white still. But that's
switching it?
Yep. I'm painting them white and I'm putting them on. Fuck, what's wrong with you? You don't stop sweating ever? That's the problem too, bro. There's something going wrong with you.
Oh, the Lambo.
The Lambo. Hey! Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. And also, if you have any comments, good or bad, leave it below, all right? So, see you on the next one. Haha!